Hey guys, so it's Kuzomari here, back with another video. In this video today, I'm going to be doing another full page sketch, and this time I'm going to be doing Sasuke. Specifically, I'm going to be doing adult Sasuke from, the Boruto. I think some of the designs might be from one of the movies, but yeah, it's still going to be adult Sasuke, and I drew like younger Sasuke in here too. You'll see later on. In between some lightning and stuff, just to put a little bit more oomph into the drawing. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, Naruto is one of my favorite series of all time. You may even call me a Narutard, possibly. But yeah, it's one of my favorite series. I love Masashi Kishimoto and everything he did with the series, and it's one of the series, and he's the creator that made me realize I wanted to become a manga artist. So but yeah, ever since the series end, I didn't do a whole lot of fan arts back in the day of Naruto because I didn't feel like I was worthy to draw his creations. That's how I always viewed my fan arts. That's why there's hardly any fan arts in the beginning of my channel, because that's how I viewed it even when I started this channel. But yeah, I started to be like, I gotta start doing some fan arts. One, it helps you learn design. Two, it just having a pre-made character design for a series that you really like, it kind of brings a different life to your drawing, and you learn a lot while you're doing it. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make sure I started doing fan arts, despite how I felt about my art and the respect I had for the creator. But in any case, now I wasn't sure if Naruto or Sasuke are even relevant, because Boruto is not even that big. But if you guys do like this, if you guys do like Sasuke, if you guys do like Naruto, if you guys like these series, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Get some views, share this video. If the video gets bigger, it'll let me know. If it gets better reception, it'll let me know if people are interested in seeing more stuff on Naruto or Boruto. Because if the video doesn't get big enough, that means there's not enough people enjoying it. So I probably wouldn't end up doing something from the same series. But I really do want to do a Naruto one. So if you guys really want to see more of this, you know what to do. Hit that like button. But in any case, this Sasuke drawing that I'm doing right now with the sword, it ended up turning out a lot better than I had originally expected, and I was like, oh, I actually really like this. So I'm actually probably going to take a picture of this and ink it on my iPad and color it for a separate video. And it's just going to be him in that pose. I'm going to crop the canvas properly and stuff like that. And I'm going to try to do... I'm going to experiment with the coloring style and try to do something a little different, or try to refine my speed, try to get a system down more with it. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be recording my hand. It's not just going to be a time lapse of the screen, kind of like how most of my paint videos are. I'm actually going to try to record my hand so you guys can see what I'm doing. One reason why I normally haven't done that is because the colors are a little different when you record a screen. The camera just doesn't pick up on what the colors actually look like. But it's not that bad, so I'm actually going to try it, see how you guys like it. If it does well, I'll probably do more like that, because you guys will end up seeing the final version and what the colors actually look like, at the end when I put up the final piece at the end like I normally do. Well, I definitely got some more characters I'm going to be doing in this full page sketch series, some that you guys recommended from my last one, Izuku. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I got to say for now. I will let you guys watch the rest of this video, and I'll say a couple words at the end.
in my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Alright guys, it's coming up towards the end here. Like always, I always love doing these page sketches. It kind of warms me up. It helps me get a flow in art again. Like, it helps me get a cool flow because I'm using already pre-existing character, and I can kind of just put him in any position and just kind of have fun. And this is one of my favorite types of videos to make. But yeah, if you guys did like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new to this channel, like what you see, please subscribe. Going to be doing more and more content. Hit that bell icon to get notified when each video comes out, and like always guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.